Hi, kids. Today, you will learn about the tailor shop. The tailor shop is where clothes are made and fixed using special tools and materials. Let's look at some of the things you can find at the tailor shop. Buttons. B-U-T-T-O-N-S, buttons. Reel. R-E-E-L, reel. Tracing wheel. T-R-A-C-I-N-G-W-H-E-E-L, tracing wheel. Needle. N-E-E-D-L-E, needle. Iron. I-R-O-N, iron. Sewing machine. S-E-W-I-N-G-M-A-C-H-I-N-E, sewing machine. Elastic tape. E-L-A-S-T-I-C-T-A-P-E, elastic tape. Tape measure. T-A-P-E-M-E-A-S-U-R-E, tape measure. Tailor's chalk. T-A-I-L-O-R-S C-H-A-L-K, tailor's chalk. Pins. P-I-N-S, pins. Thread. T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. Cloth. C-L-O-T-H, cloth. Zipper. Z-I-P-P-E-R, zipper. Scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. Ironing board. I-R-O-N-I-N-G-B-O-A-R-D, ironing board. At the tailor's shop, clothes are designed, made, and fixed to fit just right. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.